You will need a phone number and also email to create an X account. Yes, if you are here because your YouTube channel is hacked and you want to know how you can post and tag YouTube on X, yes, this video will really help you because that's the main reason why I made that video. But yes, this video will also show you how you can create and start posting on X. Everything will be explained in this particular video, so just stay tuned, like the video, subscribe if you are new for more videos right here on this platform. You can check our profile for more videos. Let's start it and I'll show you how you can create X account and also how you can post or start using X. Let's start it. Let's go. Go to Play Store or App Store and then download X, okay, or the Twitter. Okay, so X is formerly the Twitter that we used to know, but now it is X and not Twitter, but formerly Twitter. Okay, so after installing it on your device, what I need to do is to run the device. Know that it will take some space, so get a space. Okay, so you can see right here that 348 megabytes. So after installing, then you open and then you look for create account. Okay, then you tap on create account. When you tap on it, it will bring right here where you're going to enter your phone name, your phone number or email address, and then also your date of birth. Make sure all these details are correct. Kindly do not fake it. If you fake it, it will give you issues in the future. Okay, so kindly make sure all details provided right here is correct. Then you just tap on next down here. After entering those details, you will see this. Okay, you are going to verify your phone number, so make sure your phone, that's that particular sim or that particular email is logged in or close to you whereby you can reach it for a code that will be sent to it. Okay, then you tap on OK. If in case the number you rectify to see that there is a mistake, then you just tap on edit and then you go back and then edit the number and then you come back right here again. So you tap on OK and then a code will be sent to your SIM card, your phone number or your email. So after entering the code that has been sent to your email or your phone number, then you tap on next down here. After that, you have to set a new password for your account. Make sure the password is a strong one so that no one can hack your X account. Okay, so set a password right here. After that, you scroll down a little bit, then you tap on sign up. Also, they have the terms of service, the privacy policy, and everything that you need to know. You can read on that, okay, before you start to create your account to start to use as your personal account. Okay, so yes, there is something that is very very important. Take into consideration, check them out before you enter your password and you will tap on the sign up button. So after that, you are going to set a profile picture. It is not by force. You can skip that for now when you look down here. Okay, or you can just tap on the plus button right here and then you will choose a particular picture and then boom, your picture is there. You can also tap on the time sign right here to also remove that particular picture that you pasted there. Okay, or you can also use these emojis as well right here. Choose the color background and everything. Okay, it's all your choice. So you just check any one of your choice and then you put it right there, and then you look down here where we have the next, then you tap on next. Okay, so the question right here is where it is very very important. Okay, so if let's say you are creating the X account for business, you need to give that particular business name. Okay, so for me, let's say with me as Ositech, I'll enter Ositech right here so that if anyone comes to X and then search Ositech, the person will be able to find me. So you choose a particular username where people can easily find you on X. Okay, so you can just give your X handle to the person, like, oh, when you go to X, my username is Ositech, just search and then you will find me. Okay, so the same thing right here, they will suggest something for you, just clear it up. When you look down here, they have another one as well. Okay, so you just need to set a new one right here and then you proceed with that. So after that, you will be logged in and then you could see X would like to send you notification. You can allow it or you won't allow notification from X. Okay, so for me, I will allow it. And now you have your account. So when you go to your account, you can see this right here. Let me just refresh and see. So the username that I set did not appear right here. What I'm going to do is to go back. Okay, when you go back, then you will tap on your account again. So after tapping on that, you scroll down from here, then you look for settings and privacy. Settings and privacy, then you tap on it. After that, you tap on your account, and then you tap on account information. Okay, and then you can see your username right here. You will tap on it, and then you're going to change it from this to a new one. And when you tap on the cancel, when you come back right here, you can also add some of the details just in case you did not add it from the beginning. Okay, and then also you can log out from where we have the account info. The logout is there. Also we have the change password, and then also deactivate your account just in case you want to delete it or you want to keep it inactive for some days or some months. Yes, it's all your choice. So when you go back to this side as well, we have security and account access, your monetization premium, and other features that you can also check them out yourself when you are free. Okay, so when you go to your profile, now let's look at how you can create a post on X. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you can see down here we have a button like a plus sign right here. You can see it down here. Yeah, that is the sign that I'm talking about, the plus sign. You tap on it. So the moment you tap on it, you will see that you tap on got it. And all that you're going to do is to type a particular message, like I just joined, and then let's join S. Okay, all right. Then what I'm going to do is, you can also add a particular picture to that particular post that you're making. So right here we have the picture. We also have other features right here, live, the GIF, and then also the audio side right here. We have those features. You can check them out right here, where you can also add your choices when it comes to pool. Okay, and then we have this where you can hit and record. Okay, so in all, we have all these features down here for you to use in your post. And also we have the publicity version, whereby you're going to choose whether it's for everyone, verified account only, account you follow, or only account that you mention. Okay, so before you post, this is how you do it. You just type something right here. After that, if you want to go public, you will select with the pictures as well, or with the pool, with the audio, everything. You add them up, and take note of the more you type, you will see there is this circle right here that shows you the number of spaces left for you to continue typing. Okay, so as you type, it will continue filling that particular gap. That's a black gap right there. It will all turn blue, telling you that you've really typed so much, and then at some point you'll be left with no space again. Okay, so yes, take note of that as well. I just joined X. Okay, and now if you are here because of the YouTube account being hacked, yes, this is how you're going to create a post for YouTube. You look for art on your keyboard. Okay, so look for art, I mean this sign, look for it on your Google keyboard, sorry, on your keyboard. Look for it on your keyboard, and then you just enter YouTube right here. Do not leave any space. Okay, so the moment you just enter art, you add YouTube to it, and then you will see YouTube right here. We have the YouTube creators. Okay, so these two, that is the YouTube and then the YouTube creators, anyone, or you can just mention both. So you can start with this, and then you get another art again, and then you go for like YouTube, and then you go for the YouTube creators. Yes, they will answer you. So just be patient as you have made this particular post. So we haven't posted yet. Okay, we haven't posted yet. So after creating a post like this, mentioning YouTube and then YouTube creators, or let's say your friend, if you're here because of knowing how it works and everything. Yes, if you want to tag your friend, you can do it the same way you just go at and then you mention your friend's username. Okay, so let's say something like this. You will see those that are in your contact or those who are on X that has the same username. Okay, so just be ready to see much of them, but make sure you have those people in your contact or you have their username will be very easy for you to find them. So you get their username, then you just go at and then you continue with the username. Their username will pop up and then you choose them and then you will start to publish your post. Okay, so there's how you can post when it comes to the YouTube hacking side, tagging YouTube for your account. So you tap on the post. So then when you tap up on the post, it will then reflect in your account. So let me refresh right here, and then you will see I just joined S, and this is how it is. So you can like it right here. People will start to like, and then also you will see the number of people who have seen your particular post, and people can also reshare, okay, or comment. So they can retweet or re-X, because as for we were saying retweet, but since it is now X, it means re-X. Yes. And then we have the comment section right here. So you have the comments, the retweet, we have the like, and then also the number of views that your post has received after publishing. Okay, and also the number of tags or people who have also favorited it. So we have the favorite option right here, or the bookmark option. Yes, you can also do it that way, or you can also share it to another platform, or to, let's say, a particular friend on that particular post. Okay, so yes, that's how it works. So let's refresh right now and see the number of people that you have reached. So still we have not reached anyone else, but this is how it works. This is how you can create a post on X, creating your account, and also creating a post on X. If anything, leave it in the comment section description. We will check them out and help you out with it. Also, with the notification, when you look down here, we have the home, you have the search, and then the Grok. So the Grok is an AI that helps you answer simple questions. So AI stands for you to answer most of your questions. So any question that you have, yes, you just come here, you ask, and then yeah, you get your answers, then you go back. And then we have where we go to the communities, we see what's going on, or those that you follow, you get the updates and a lot of stuff right there. So we have the notification where if, let's say, someone have liked your video, have commented, have shared, I mean retweet, all those ones, yes, you'll be seeing it. So the mentions will be here, and then those who have liked or commented under your video and that person has a verified account, yes, those will be separated right here for you to also go through them, or very simple. So yes, the last one right here will be the message. So those of you who are here because your YouTube account has been hacked, that's where you'll be getting your messages from YouTube. As I said, do not pick any message, sorry, do not pick any contact, I mean even message from that particular post that you made, because those people can one way or the other way be a scammer. Okay, yes, so just be aware of how they work when it comes to the YouTube hacking system. So they will DM you right here, you will see their message right here, and then you will just chat with them right here and provide them with all relevant information as they ask you. Okay, so this is my account, and this is how you can create yours. If anything, let me know in the comment section, and then I will help you out with it.